Here is a family puzzle. A family has 4 people: a mom, a dad, a big sister, and a baby. Right now, if you add up all 4 of their ages, the total is 80 years. But 5 years ago, all of their ages added up to 63 years. How old is the baby right now?
Oh, that one is easy. Just subtract. 80 take away 63 is 17. So the baby is 17. Wait, that cannot be right. A baby is not 17. Let me think. Pause the video and try it yourself. What did the simple subtraction forget?
Here is the detective move. First, count the people today. There are 4 of them. Now pretend all 4 were alive 5 years ago. Then every single one of them would be 5 years younger. 4 people, 5 years each, makes 20 years in all. So the past total should be 80 take away 20. That is 60. Now compare. We predicted 60, but the real past total was 63. The real past is 3 more than we predicted. 63 take away 60 is 3. A total can only be too big if we subtracted years for someone who was not really there. So someone in this family was not born 5 years ago. It is the baby. We took a full 5 years off the baby. But the baby was not even alive for all 5 of those years. Those 3 extra years are the years the baby did not exist yet. The whole step back was 5 years. So the baby has only been alive for 5 take away 3. The baby is 2 years old.
Let me check the whole drop. 80 take away 63 is 17. Mom, Dad, and the big sister each dropped 5 years, and that is 15. The baby's 2 years vanish when we go back before it was born. 15 and 2 make 17. It all fits.
See what really happened. Subtracting the 2 totals looked right, but it forgot to count the people. The number of people times the years is the drop you should expect. When the real drop does not match, that gap is your clue. This is the big idea. Age detective. If a past total does not drop by people times years, then someone was not born yet, and the missing drop reveals their age. Look for a total that should fall but does not fall enough. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.